Today we are going to make a Japanese umbrella. It is very simple. All we need is a craft paper. You can have a paper which is solid on both sides, or you can have a two-colored paper. First we are going to fold it a little, just like this. Just a little. Then we will flip it and fold it. The same measurement. We continue folding it till we reach the end. See that you have the measurement the same. Once I've come to the end, it will look something like this. Now, we will fold this in the center, point to point, and press the fold nicely. There. See, you have a center. Fold. You take fevi stick. There, you have your umbrella. You can put fevi-stick here. Stick it nice. Is your umbrella complete? I think something is missing. Yes, a handle. So you can take a crayon or your sketch pen and draw a nice handle for your umbrella. There you go. Your Japanese umbrella is ready. You can give a little effect of the clouds just for it to look good. A little raindrops. A little background. And a few birds here and there, flying about. There. Wasn't that lovely? Yes, a Japanese umbrella.